welcome to Vlogmas 2021. I'm going to attempt to do 12 days and only like 2 or 3 tasks a day. I hope you enjoy the first couple of things we're doing on day 1. I have Captain being annoying, so let's just get right into it. Anyways, what I was trying to say before the dogs interrupted was I need to clean up a little bit because I have a mess of piles of stuff everywhere. And I need to work on printing some stickers. Mailing out this card order that came through. Organizing orders, or not orders, gifts, I guess, for coworkers and family. So, I don't know why I thought this was a great idea, because I sat down on the floor in front of my thing and the dogs decided to be annoying. Yeah. So that's what the panting is.